Hello, beach lovers. It's Erica, your friendly beach explorer, back with another incredible adventure on the sandy shores of paradise. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an amazing beach that will leave you in awe. As I take my first steps onto the soft, sun-kissed sand, a sense of tranquility washes over me. The beach stretches out in both directions, seemingly endless and inviting. The sun shines brightly, casting a warm glow on the glistening waves that dance before me. This beach is a true gem. The vibrant blue waters are mesmerizing, and the gentle waves create a soothing melody that instantly relaxes the mind and spirit. It's a sanctuary where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find solace in the beauty of nature. As I walk along the shoreline, I can't help but marvel at the stunning surroundings. Towering palm trees sway gracefully in the gentle breeze, providing shade and adding a touch of tropical charm. The air is filled with the sweet scent of salt water, reminding me that I'm in paradise. But what truly sets this beach apart is its captivating features. The underwater world is a kaleidoscope of colors and life. Snorkeling here is like diving into a living aquarium, where vibrant coral reefs and exotic fish create a mesmerizing spectacle. It's a true underwater paradise waiting to be explored. As we continue our beach walk, we come across hidden nooks and crannies, inviting us to discover their secrets. Nestled between lush greenery and natural rock formations, these serene spots offer a moment of peace and reflection. It's the perfect place to unwind, connect with nature, and appreciate the simple beauty of life. Now, my dear viewers, if you're as enchanted by this beach as I am, I invite